everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited about today's video because I will be reviewing the 3CE New Take Eyeshadow Palette. This product just came out, I think, last month, and this is my first time using 3CE palette. I know I say like, oh, this is my first time trying this brand, but like there's so many brands here in Korea that like every time I find a new product, it is a new brand. So yeah, so this is my first time trying the 3CE makeup. 3C is a very popular brand here in Korea. I think they're also like popular, you know, overseas. I also have the 3C New Take Face Blusher. It came together with the palette, so I will be trying these two palettes out today. Let's get started. The New Take eyeshadow palette comes in 3 different palettes. There's like the neutrals. I guess both of them are kind of neutral. And then there is this one, which is the pink one. And I was going to get the neutral one, but I decided that I already have like a lot of neutral palettes. So I decided to go with the pink palette. Got the Creative Filter one. Let's see the palette. This is so pretty. Here it is. I love the packaging. I think the packaging is so pretty. This is how it looks like. And then this is the back. Okay, so usually on the back, there's like the names of the color, but there isn't for this one. Anyways, I'm gonna rip the seal, the sticker off, and let's open it up. This is how the palette looks like. So pretty. Oh my goodness. I love the shimmers, the glitter, the mattes. I like that there's the dark brown and the glittery black. Like you could create like a fun pink look or even just a neutral look with this palette. So I'm very excited to use it. Alright, so before I apply this, I'm going to swatch the colors. There's no name for the colors. I'm just gonna go in this order. Like that. So based on the swatches, I noticed that the shimmer colors were more buttery and smooth and pigmented. The matte colors weren't as buttery, but they were still pigmented. So I'm gonna create a look with this palette. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I'm gonna try to stay more on the everyday daily look because I do have to go to work. So we'll see what I come up with, and let's get started. This is my completed eye look. I just did an everyday look. I didn't want it to go too crazy. I did want to throw a bunch of pink on my lids, but I wanted to keep it daily today. The shadows were so easy to work with. The shimmers were so buttery. The matte blended so easily. So I really enjoyed using this palette. To be honest, I'm not very surprised. 3CE is very popular and they make pretty high quality makeup. So I am very happy with my purchase with this palette. Let's move on to the blush. So this is the 3CE New Take Face Blusher in Youth Pink. Let's see how it looks. So let's remove the sticker. This is how the color looks. Just a very pink blush. Let's apply it on my cheeks. I'm just gonna apply right here. Ooh. Okay, pretty pigmented, so you have to be careful how much you use. I think I know why it's called Youth Pink, because it's like a very young blush color. I really like this blush. This is a very nice blush and it goes really well with the eyeshadow palette. This is my final look using the 3CE New Take collection. I really like them. I'm very excited to play around with this palette. I feel like with this palette you could really be creative. I feel like I could create like a going out look as well as a daily look. Alright, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below your favorite eyeshadow palette. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.